Hi all, welcome to Digital channel. So this is very important one information about the YouTube video uploading. So I'm making a video. I have a lot of copyright issues from each and every video option. How we can remove the copyright strike and upload the video. First of all, in this purpose we can selecting for each video maker, or we can another software is called OpenShot. So we can use it for software will be called one is called Easy Video Maker or OpenShot software. Or else we can using for EZVid also, but EZVid will be WME format, they will be not given by MP4 up to 5 minutes. No need to worry about the easy video maker. More than 5 minutes video, we have to purchase this easy video maker. So anyone not purchasing easy video maker, we can go with purchase or without purchase, your wish. Up to 5 minutes will be free. So any video, before upload anything, just look into this one here. I upload the video, virgin music I completely will be stop. So why? Because don't use any kind of virginal music that will be affected by the your particular channel. Will go to the strike option. So that is the reason. Don't go for the particular music what we can capture by the your camera. Don't use the particular video visuals that will be affected by your particular video option. So simple here. First of all, I'm welcome video I'm uploading here. So which is a welcome video. We can use the any welcome video here. So in this, these all will be free softwares. We can utilize them and anything you can wish. So your number and everything. This video I can prepare for I am fit gym. This I am fit gym will be located to the particular Madhapur location. You can go to gym and what are the things, your prices, everything you can check with them, and body workouts, everything will be the related video I'm posting for your YouTube channel purpose. These are making for how we can making a video, how we can upload the video. Both I can show by in this particular video. In this purpose, I'm using for easy video maker. Just uploading here. Next, video uploading. After video uploading, here will be showing for disable audio. Complete disable by the audio option. So that is called I can complete by disable by the audio option. Next final one is called contact screen. So when it is playing here, the complete will be visual will be playing for complete for in this particular sketch. So it will be here is the particular match will be doing the particular video will be here. So this is called. There is a complete for visual. They will be playing mute section. Now final one is called add the subscribe screen. So here is the subscribe screen. We can add it here. Add it. There is called YouTube channel. Go to channel YouTube Studio, where you can download the music also. I'll show you here. Just go to this option. In this audio library, how many videos are free music? We can all will be download it. That all downloads, you can keep it on one folder like this. In this keep it on one folder, which is we can use the music, just drag it. So here you will be play it. First you can play for it. So if your existing music will be more than or less, you can add once again, this music will be once again. So if you exceed that music compared to the previous audio file, just drag. Here also disable the subscribe screen, or you can use it, or this will be, we can keep and will like this. After this one, we can here select the video. You can go to format. So now I'm clicking for save. This is a simple method you can follow. What are the your any video will be copied movie songs? Please keep it on mute. That is not using for your particular video section. That is compulsory with the copyright strike. And one more thing is called, if you are YouTube Shorts, any video will be providing, we can use that video bytes. But coming to the your video option, don't use the in a particular things that is most affected by your copyright strikes. How to know that? Here will be go to the filter option. You can check that all copyright strike will be shown to the particular users. Don't use any kind of copyrights, which is a free music we can use from the YouTube, but any recording videos from your gym training centers, any kind of movie songs, don't play the in your YouTube channel videos. Once you get strike, they will call two things will be affected. One is called file dispute, second will be copyright strike. File dispute nothing but views by your channel, earning will be other channel. Second one is called the copyright strike. They completely remove your video from your channel. So those will be affected. Please don't use any kind of copyright videos. So here the video will be finished for 100%. After finish 100%, close it, close this feature, click for no save the file. Here we can go to option will be there. Select it, upload video, select file. Where we can upload the file, we can go to this, means save the file. Here select it. In this future, very much of important is called, we can add your particular things. Full body workouts, I am fit, gym in Madhapur, Hyderabad. So those title we can add here in this. Same will be adding for in this. So we can go with full body workout. What is everything is there. So which is you can go with the options are here is the option. Weight loss, full body workouts. I can add by those options. Now we can visit. Make a thumbnail. Add by thumbnail here. Add your playlist. Here, which is the options you can go to this. Next to more. In this, add your keywords. Recording date. Don't forget record date. And here we can using tags. Suppose you can location will be target. We can target by your location also. Which is your comfortable zone? We can add by your complete zone option will be here. Any video uploading purpose, we have to follow the two things. One is called your video will be published on time. Second will be people will be get notification purpose. We have to use for the YouTube streaming, that is called premium option we can use. So you can come into this best views. This will be add by subscribers. So I can add a two options. Don't give end screens will be complete for they will be misfired by your particular videos. This call you can add by here. So in this one, where you can add by end screen, select it, video, add by option. Here in the screen, we can go to this option. Cursor will be playing for different patterns as you wish. So two videos are both are same. Here simple, I can do this add by the playlist, which is a more videos are, I can add the playlist. Here it is. Two things is done. End screen will be 2. Cards will be out of 5. You can add by the 4 digits. Out of 4, 2 end screens. Cards out of 5. I am adding for 4. Click for next. Any video uploading will be private. First option. Any video we can upload on your YouTube channel. Private mode is compulsory important. After private mode, anything your particular things will be issues. will be checked, and the video will be going to the finalize on the particular video. So those options are we can follow by here and upload the newer YouTube channel option. Just hold on the particular seconds or minutes. Any will be getting strike, they will be intimated immediately. But is no strikes will be happen in the particular video. Why? Because we remove the all kind of content. It's our own content. I'm just to use the my YouTube free music. Remain everything will be same. So after a few seconds, click publish with the premier option. Just go. Or else you can schedule by any kind of things, your particular timings. Every 15 minutes you can schedule will be time. 1, 1:15, 1:30, 1:45, 2. Like this you can schedule. But this video will go to the right, publish with the premier. This all kind of options will be follow, and the particular option name is called YouTube Premium. So those any video will making, don't use the outside music. Use your own music, own visuals. It is your own content along with your own music we can use, or free music we can use for the without copyright strike. You will be affected by copyright strike will be two various. One is called file dispute. Second will be video will be removed. Please take care about the video making time and upload time to the follow the guidelines and earn money from YouTube channel. Any query about that, this query about uploading for videos and any queries, please contact my channel. I definitely will be supporting. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.